Peace be upon you. I'm Mr. Ayman Arif, and today we're going to talk about problem solving with Venn diagrams. This lesson is really a critical one. Directly, we're going to deal with examples. We talked previous about a Venn diagram and how can you identify the relation between sets, as you know that well. Right now, we're going to deal with Venn diagrams in real life situations. First question or first example here we have, he said a squash club has 27 members. Then first of all, the club has 27 members. And 19 have black hair, then 19 have black hair, and this is black equals 19. Then number of black represented by 19. And after that, 14 have brown eyes, then 14 have brown eyes. Then we have two categories here. Notice that we have overall 27 members, and after that, 19 with black hair and 14 with brown eyes. 11 have both. Notice that we have 11 have both, which is 11 in common between black and brown eyes. 11 have both black hair and brown eyes. First of all, place this information on a Venn diagram. This is the first question. And question A, first of all, you need to graph the universal set here. And this is the universal set. And notice that we have two categories, which is the first category is represented by BL, stands for black. And the second category, brown eyes, BR. Then black, or the number of black. And here we have the number of brown. Here we have the universal set. And after that, we have two circles. And common we have, here we have black, and here we have brown. And common we have 11, and this is 11. Then after that, to find the rest, which is black intersect with complement of brown, should be 19 minus 11, because here we have 11 already. Then 19 minus 11 should be what? 19 minus 11 should be 8. And in this category, brown, in all, we have 14 members. 11 common between black and brown eyes. Then here we have just only 3 members, because 14 minus 11. Okay, then we have 8 and 11 and 3. What about the rest? Because in all, we have 27. Then number of universal set equals 27. What about the set of like intersection between, or the number between the black complement intersect with brown complement? In this scenario, we need to find the rest. Then 27 minus 8 plus 11 plus 3. Then 8 plus 11 plus 3. Okay, then 11 plus 8 plus 3 should be 22. Then 27 minus 22 should be 5. Then 27 minus 22 should be 5. 5 members, right? Then here we have 5 members. In question A, place this information on Venn diagram, and we dealt with specific values like number of black should be 19, and brown eyes should be 14 members. Question B, find the number of members with black hair or brown eyes. This is question B. Black hair, the number of black hair, then black, or means union, brown eyes. Then black union means 8 plus 11 plus 3. That means 22. And question 2, black hair but not brown eyes. Then question 2, number of black but not, which is intersect with, but not brown eyes, intersect with brown complement, which is black intersect with anything except brown eyes. Anything, like intersect with anything except brown eyes, means just only 8. This is the solution. Just only 8 members. What about this question? In this question, he said a platform diving squad of 25 has 18 members who dive from 10 meters and 17 who dive from 4 meters. Overall, we have 25. Then number of universal sets should be 25 members. Okay, then the divers from 18 I'm sorry 18 members who dive from 18 meters, and 18 members here we have like 18 meters. Then number of 10 meters should be 18, and 17 members who dive from 4 meters. Then number of 4 meters, we can represent them in letters. I prefer letters. Than 10 stands for T, and here 4 equals 17. Let me adjust this part. This is universal set, and here 10. And number of 10 meters stands for 18 members, and number for 4 meters, or the members who dive from 4 meters, should be 17 members. The question is, how many dive from both platforms? The intersection between them. From both means the intersection between this set and this set. Okay, let me graph first of all the universal set. Okay, and here we have how many sets? Just only 2 sets, T and F. And here we have T and F. T and F. Overall, we have 25. 18 and 17 means, like here we have 18 and 17 means 18 plus 17 should be 25. Then the whole members should be in the T set or F set. Then overall we have 25, but we need to know the intersection between them. We don't know the intersection between them. Then let me represent it by X. What about the rest, which is number of T intersect with F complement? Should be the whole value for T except X, and whole value of T should be 18. Then 18 minus X, and this region represented by 18 minus X. What about the red region, which is this region? If you need to identify it, it becomes number of F intersect with complement of T, which is 17 minus X. And we know that the total value should be 25. Then 25 equals, we don't have any members out of these 2 sets, right? Then we have 0 members here. Then 25 equals, here we have 17 minus X, equals 17 minus X plus X plus 18 minus X. 18 minus X. Once you found value of X, this is the result for our question, because he said how many dive from both platforms. Then here we have like 25 equals 17 and 18 becomes 25. And here we have negative X and negative X, and X becomes, here we have, yes, 17 minus X and 18 minus X. I'm sorry, 17 and 18 should be more than that. Should be 35. I'm sorry, it's my mistake. Okay, 17 and 18 should be 35. Okay, and here we have negative X and X, and here we have negative X. Then X equals 35 minus 25. and that equals 10, then 10 should be common between the T set and F set. And this is the solution. What about this question? This question is really a critical question.